All right, check out this car phone holder, customized for Model 3 and Model Y vehicles. It'll be on the left-hand side of the vehicle, has a steady clamp for your phone, one-hand operation, and has a reserved charging hole for the cable. Only a couple pieces to this. Here is the main piece. And then these two pieces, the one of course for the phone, and then the ball joint. Now sliding the base is super easy, barely an inconvenience. You put it in from the side, bring it over, snaps in, and that's as simple as it is. And now it fits perfectly in here, doesn't stop the air vent from pushing air out. It's actually on the side, and this little slot right here allows for air to slide through. So you're not obstructing any air, and now we'll install the top part. So next up, unscrew this part. Once this is off, you can press the ball through the opening, back in, and snap it into the hole. Listen. And then tighten. And then this slides on top of here. And now you can swivel this around and put your phone there. Now that it's mounted, just take your phone and place it in there, and you're good to go. If it's a small phone, and also a larger phone. All right, thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Adios. If you end up buying a Tesla, which I hope you seriously consider, use my Tesla referral link to receive 1,000 miles of free supercharging on a Model S, Model X, or Model 3. There's a link below this video. It's free miles. Might as well take advantage of it.